Hi there, welcome back to Silver Scoop. One of the craziest things happening right now isn't getting nearly enough attention. We have all sorts of robots everywhere now, but did you know Disney has these AI robots that excel the other robots across the AI industry? They even look like the characters from Disney movies, and they move and talk like they have just jumped out of the screen. Though they're not humanoids, they move, walk, skate, and jump just like they do in the movies. What's even crazier is that these robots are even capable of feeling. They have their own personality, and the way they act and behave reflects how they are wired. It's possible that Disney's designs are built on the basis for certain types of existing models, but the point is that the company is already ahead of some of the AI industry's top models. Now, the reason Disney's robot caught our eyes is that it has showcased one of the most cutting-edge robotics technologies. To give the robot its current personality, Disney has decided to employ artificial intelligence. The Disney research team in Zurich, Switzerland, created this robot. And it was first shown off at the Detroit Intelligent Robots and Systems Conference. The majority of the robot was created with 3D printing technology in less than a year. With two antennae that twitch like a cat's ears and a head that can move up and down, around, and tilt, it's able to convey a wide range of emotions through its movements. Disney animators collaborated with roboticists to ensure the robot's movements were expressive without compromising its functionality, giving the robot the appearance of being a real-life animated figure. Disney's robotics platform was also made to be hardware agnostic, so the same ideas may be used for characters with different body types. The time it takes to teach a robot new actions is drastically cut by the animation-inspired pipeline developed by Disney Research. Disney's research and development team may now create new robotic characters in months, not years. Disney uses two distinct varieties of robots in its parks at the moment. The first, animatronics, is already in place. The primary applications of animatronics are in the entertainment industries, such as amusement parks, film, and television. They attempt to imitate real-world behaviors and noises. Think of the dinosaurs in the Jurassic Park attraction or the animals in a number of Disney parks. What's also fascinating is that animatronics stick to a formula. They can't take in new information or changes of their surroundings. Their behaviors are mostly pre-programmed or controlled by an outside source. Humanoid robots, like Disney's latest one, on the other hand, are equipped with AI that enables them to interpret data, learn from experience, and adjust to new circumstances. They are sensitive to their surroundings, and it is usually possible to retrain or reprogram them to do a variety of activities. Animatronics tend to have realistic visuals in terms of design. They are modeled after real animals or fictional characters and animated to look lifelike, but their workings are usually quite basic. Thus, while both animatronics and artificial intelligence humanoid robots can look like humans, the former are mainly pre-programmed machines used for amusement. However, artificial intelligence humanoid robots are capable of higher levels of learning and interaction. With this change, we can now talk about what the future holds for Disney's robots. Recent conference debut of this robot indicates this could be the next stage in theme park robots. It's not out of the question that artificial intelligence innovations in the tech sector will eventually find their way into robotics. Disney's success in giving these robots convincing movements is noteworthy. Boston Dynamics is another well-known firm in this field. Atlas, their most well-known robot, demonstrates extraordinary movement, earning them widespread renown. 7 years ago, a video featuring Atlas navigating snowy terrain and carrying up big parcels received over 40 million views on YouTube. There may be some crossover between Disney's AI robots and Boston Dynamics' Atlas, which can adapt to its surroundings and look real-life as well. Atlas is more capable than Disney's current efforts, but the two companies' motivations are different. Atlas has been demonstrated in a variety of settings, including parkour. Although its primary purpose is to aid civilization and travel over terrain that is difficult for people. Robots from Disney, such as Judy, have recently performed acrobatic demonstrations. And the Spider-Man robot has been seen performing stunts. With no one really paying attention, Disney has taken huge steps in AI robotics, and so far they have been quite successful. The robot sector is rapidly expanding, and it might soon be valued hundreds of billions of dollars. It is possible that Disney will become a leader in AI robots in the future. Share your thoughts in the comment section.